As we have seen, the Bloch theorem enables us to write down the electron states in a periodic potential as a product of a unit cell function that is the same in every unit cell and a propagating wave. This propagating wave can only have one of a set of equally spaced k vectors. The number of different k vectors is the same as the number of unit cells in the crystal. These facts allow us to construct what is known as a band structure. This band structure is the way we understand what all the possible electron states are in a crystal and how they behave. It's an extremely useful idea, and it gives us most of the concepts and the vocabulary that we use to discuss materials like semiconductors and the basic physics of the devices we make from them, for example. One particular concept we get from band structures, the effective mass, helps us understand how electrons move inside crystals. Another key concept, the density of states in energy, helps us understand how electrons are distributed between all the available states, for example, in thermal distributions. This idea is a key concept in understanding many electronic devices, as well as many of the concepts behind optoelectronic devices, the ones that convert between electrical and optical signals. Here we're going to introduce these concepts of band structures, of effective masses, and of densities of states in energy.